Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin with the car in ACC or on so the head unit powers up. This matters because the Bluetooth module only scans when active. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and turn Discoverable mode on. This lets the Persona find it. Once done, check the stereo's paired device list and be ready to clear an old pairing if it blocks new connections, since many systems refuse new devices until memory is freed. Now use the head unit settings and go to Bluetooth. You do this because the car initiates the pairing handshake. Tap Search or Add Device so the Persona scans nearby signals, then select your phone from the results. If multiple names appear, pick the one matching your phone model. When a PIN appears, confirm the same digits on both phone and head unit. This ensures a secure link. Make sure to accept any phone prompts to allow contacts and audio access for full functionality. Finish by confirming audio profile settings. Set media, A2DP and phone, HFP, enabled so music and calls route correctly. You want both active to avoid one-way audio. Test with a hands-free call and play a song to verify microphone pickup and streaming quality. If pairing fails, don't panic. Reboot your phone, delete the Persona entry and rescan, or perform a Bluetooth memory clear in the head unit. This clears conflicts and usually resolves persistent pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.